I've been wanting to open my freaking iPad for the past 3 days. It's just been sitting there on my floor and I haven't touched it. I have not opened it because I was like, I'm gonna do an unboxing video, and I ordered a bunch of things on Amazon for it, and today's finally the day because I was just putting it off. And I was like, you know what, I just want to open my iPad and freaking use it. So welcome to my iPad Pro unboxing video. I got the iPad Pro 11-inch screen. It's 128 gigabytes. So let's open it. Oh, this is heavy. Jesus. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Oh my god, look how nice this looks. I got space gray. Nobody cares about this stuff. Little manual. Nobody cares. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, ooh, look. That's so pretty. Ooh, it's so much fancier than when you turn on your phone. I don't want to like turn this on anymore because it looks so pretty. Let me get my phone. Oh, continue. Oh, look at how easy that was. Oh. Oh, don't look. Alright. I'm at the part where I needed my Face ID. Finally connected, so you can watch me awkwardly set up my face. So weird. Okay. Yay. Oh, transferring from iPhone not supported. I'm having issues setting it up, so I'm just restarting both my iPad and my iPhone because it's just not working. It's fine. It doesn't matter. I mainly just want to unbox the other things that I bought because I'm excited. Here are my little accessories. I was going to say accessories. Jesus, I cannot speak English anymore. Accessories. I got a few accessories for my iPad. The first important thing that I got is a tempered glass screen protector, and I got the one that is the privacy screen so that nobody can spy on me or look at my screen while I'm using my iPad. This is the one that I got. It's the Glass Screen Pro Premium Tempered Glass. I think I'm actually gonna just put all this stuff on while I'm waiting for my iPad to set up because it's just getting kind of stupid at this point. This is what it looks like. We got a little screen protector accessories kit, and then in here we got the screen protector, and I'll show you. It's like thick, but see? It gets like dark if you aren't looking at it straight on. It's the same one that I have on my phone, and I found it actually works really well. Let's put it on. I should have just put this on to begin with because my screen was already clean. Alright, I need some good lighting. It is so streaky. What the heck? Do you see that? It is ridiculously streaky. So far, this kit I'm not really liking. I'm gonna admit. Oh my god, alright. No. There's still so many fingerprints on this thing. Wow. I think I might get a new screen protector. because this one is not good. I'm gonna get a JTech screen protector because this one is just not good, and I'll keep this screen protector anyway so I can like use it. So this is the case that I bought. It's just like the simple like foldable case that you can, it has like magnets and you can fold like this and it protects the front. So at least I'll have this while I'm waiting. See, it looks like a little notebook. There's no keyboard on it. I was gonna get the keyboard, but I don't really think I'll be typing that much on this. Before I like get onto putting on the case, I just want to show you the color is super nice and it is space gray, and the edges are like the iPhone 12 and 13, and I think also 11, where it's like the smooth squared off edges. Perfect. And then it'll close like that. Oh, did you hear that? Okay, so if you close the case, it locks it. And if you open it, I think it opens. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so if you open, it unlocks. If you close, that's really cool. Last thing that I got is this Apple Pencil. So let's unbox it together too. Oh my god, I'm over here like shaking it and it has a little tab. Oh. Oh my god, that came out so fast. Oh, it's so cute. Wow. This is really nice. I've never had an Apple Pencil before, so I have absolutely no idea how this freaking works. I feel like every basic YouTuber, but it's rounded here, and then there's like a flat side. I'm pretty sure the flat side you can attach to the iPad as like a little rest because it's magnetic. But oh, it feels so nice. It's so cute. Now I actually have to set up my iPad so I can actually use this thing. All right, let's try this again so I can begin to use it and tell you what I'm thinking. Transferring from iPhone not supported. Why? Alright, so just to be super blunt on what's going on. When you set up your iPad, if you try to download things from your phone, it doesn't work. You need to do it from iPad to iPad, or you gotta do it through iCloud. And that really sucks. So right now I'm inputting all my passwords and downloading all my apps. I'm going to do that first, and then I'll kind of show you what the iPad looks like and all that stuff, because I've noticed a few things that I'm just like, whoa. So let's go input everything, because this is freaking annoying. So we're back. We have my iPad right here, and basically all I did the other night was I just went through and organized all of my apps because I need to download them from my iPhone. This is what it looks like now. It's a lot more organized. I'm still gonna probably change around the layout and everything, but I basically put everything into folders and organized it by shopping apps, photo editing apps, social media, etc. And I've noticed that some of the apps on the iPad don't actually fit to the iPad size. They're meant for your phone. So I think I'm gonna delete all of those, but I kept them on just to show you what those look like. It's not that it's bad, but it just looks a little bit weird. If I have my phone already for those apps, I don't think I need it on my iPad. Something else that I want to point out is when you FaceTime someone, the camera is automatically set to just follow where your face is going, and it really threw me off guard. And I was FaceTiming my boyfriend actually, and he's like, why is your iPad moving? Like, it's gonna fall. And I was like, I don't think it's moving. And then I was moving like this, and I was like, oh my god, it's falling my face. So just keep that in mind. You can turn that feature off, but I just thought it was very interesting that it knew where I was going. So far the battery I've noticed is really good. I've only been using this for a few days, but I haven't really had to charge it too much. I've only charged it I think once since I got it, so that's pretty nice. Something else that's kind of thrown me off is I've never had an iPad before, so I don't know if other iPad users can relate, but if I'm looking at my iPad for too long and then I look at my phone, I'm like, damn, my phone is really small. But that's like not a huge deal at all. Like, it's just, it doesn't matter. Something else that I really like too is you can have the iPad face any way you want, if that makes sense. Like, the camera doesn't always need to be at the top. Like, you could just flip it around and the screen will move with it, so that's really cool. If you're turning your laptop on, this is an iPad, if you're turning your iPad on and you have the Face ID turned on, the iPad will point in the direction of the camera. So sometimes I'm trying to open it and I'm like, why isn't it going? And then I'll see a little arrow that the camera's on the bottom and I'm like, oh. So I guess that's kind of just hard sometimes to tell where the camera is because the whole outside perimeter is black, but that's not a huge deal. I did order a new screen protector, so we're going to put that on now, and then after we're going to connect the Apple Pencil. I have not connected the Apple Pencil yet because I wanted to do it for the video to just show you my initial reactions, and I also want to put the screen protector on first so I don't accidentally screw up the screen. It is a JTech tempered glass screen protector. This is normally the brand that I use, so I'm sure it'll be much better than the other one that I had originally unboxed for you guys. Okay. This is everything that it comes with. I'm pretty sure it comes with 2 screen protectors. Yes, it does. And I'm dropping everything. It comes with this little kit, just kind of like the other one. But I feel like this one will be better because look at how much bigger everything is for the iPad. The other cleaning supplies, I swear, was more for an iPhone. So that's why I did not like it. Here's the screen protector, all protected. And this is unfortunately not the anti-spyware one. But whatever. I mean, I have the other one, like the other screen protector from the other company, but I want to use all JTech because I really like JTech. See, this is what I mean, is the other dust remover was like this big. This is what we need, like bigger ones. I think it's good. So then this, oh, it literally is the freaking size of the screen. Okay. Okay, let me take out the dusties again. Okay. I hate doing this. Did I do it? Oh, shiz. Oh. Perfect. Ta-da. Okay, this looks like a mirror, but basically, if you look, like, everything looks good. There's no fingerprints, I promise. The screen just feels so freaking smooth. It's great. I love JTech. The one I have on my phone right now is also a JTech screen protector, but it's the anti-spy one, and it works so well. So I fully trust in this screen protector, so I will link it down below. It even gives you the little tapes to hinge the iPad screen protector on, so as you saw, it was pretty easy, but it looks good. So apparently there's like a little magnetic edge right here, and there's like a flat part of the pencil, so it says if you connect it here, oh, it should pair. It did it. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Alright, let's see. Screenshot. Ooh! There's the quick note. When you attach it here, it charges, so it's at 6%, and it's pretty stuck on there. I'm pulling a good amount, not like too much, but like the magnet is pretty strong. So I'm gonna let my Apple Pencil charge, but that's what the M pencil looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative to see if you want to get one. This is my first iPad ever. As you can clearly tell, I have so much to learn with it. I'm really excited. I mainly want to use it for Procreate to enhance my videos, so stay tuned for that. Comment down below any other unboxings or reviews that you want me to do, or any upcoming videos that you want to see from me. I am really going to strive to post once a week now because I've been just doing so bad with that. So thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!